Hey you all, in this video I'm gonna do a length check. This is absolutely my very first time measuring my locks. So yeah, just so you all know, I recently had a pregnancy. In case someone knows, I had a pregnancy last year. I had my daughter in November, so that might have something to do with like my length. Like, I don't know, some people have said my hair looks longer. I don't freaking know, y'all. I feel like it's just hair. I don't know. Did retwist my hair, and I recently washed it right after my retwist. So this is a length check after a retwist wash, the first wash after a retwist. So that's that. Front left. Now these are combined locks. I'll go with the longest one. In, so start right here, go 7 inches in, and grab a lock, any lock. Okay, grabbing this lock, starting from the root, and coming out. Wherever that's, oh, it's snagging on my hair. Okay, so right at 18 inches. So right at the root. I'm gonna stop right there. So that's 18. I'm just gonna say 18 and 1/4. So start there. So that's 16. Guess this one is just way shorter. Let me put them side by side. Yeah, it is shorter. Okay, so my hair is relatively even all the way around. Let me know if you all like these length check videos. Give me a suggestion of how often I should do them. I guess like every 6 months I think would make more sense. Make sure that you watch my other video about how to wash hair, how to properly wash locks, my tips for washing locks. my new conditioning and shampoo routine that I'm doing. Gonna see how that works. And also, you all, please let me know, what color do you think I should dye my hair? I am really considering dyeing my hair, so let me know. I hope you all like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Go check out my second channel, Your Fave Nurse B, because I am your favorite nurse. All right, you all, thanks for watching. Remember, in all that you do, stay forever true. Peace.